Ever wondered how a car goes from a pile of parts to a fully functional machine in just minutes? It's not magic. It's the future of manufacturing, happening right now. Today, we're going behind the scenes to explore the breathtaking world of advanced robotic vehicle assembly, where automation, AI, and precision.
Forget what you think you know about assembly lines. In modern factories, it's not just people on the floor. It's an entire army of robotic arms welding with sparks flying, automated guided vehicles moving parts like clockwork, and paint robots applying flawless coats with zero mistakes. This isn't science fiction, this is real. And the most amazing part? These robots don't just follow instructions, they perform with a level of speed and accuracy no human could ever match.
Take a look at welding. Traditional welders rely on steady hands, but robotic welders? They can place the same weld in the same exact spot thousands of times over, without fatigue, without error. Painting? Same story. A robotic sprayer creates the smooth, showroom-ready finish you see on every new car. And moving heavy parts across the floor? Automated guided vehicles handle it with ease, gliding silently between workstations like an invisible ballet. This is precision perfected.
But robots aren't just machines, they're thinkers. Thanks to artificial intelligence and machine vision, these systems can literally see what they're working on. High-speed cameras and laser sensors detect the tiniest misalignment, and AI instantly corrects the robot's movement. Every step of the process is monitored, analyzed, and improved. The result? Each vehicle that rolls off the line is more reliable.
Now you might be asking, are robots taking over human jobs? The truth is, they're not replacing people, they're working with them. Robots handle repetitive, dangerous, or heavy tasks, like welding, lifting, or spraying chemicals. Humans step in for oversight, creative problem-solving, and innovation. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work side by side with humans safely, lending a robotic hand while people focus on what machines can't: thinking, designing, and improving. And the impact goes way beyond the assembly line. Robotic manufacturing means cars can be built with lighter materials, futuristic designs, and faster turnaround from concept to customer. Companies can respond to demand quicker, push out safer vehicles, and innovate faster than ever. Imagine an entire car factory running nearly autonomously. Robots building, inspecting, and even repairing other robots. That future isn't decades away, it's starting right now. So the next time you see a brand new vehicle on the road, remember, it's not just a car. It's the product of thousands of robotic movements, AI-powered decisions, and human-robot collaboration, all working in harmony. This isn't just building cars, it's building the future of manufacturing. And we've only seen the beginning.